Welcome back to Twin Cities Live. John Hanson is on vacation, but Des from KS95 is filling in with me, and our Super Saver is up now. You know, you still have a few days left to shop for Father's Day, but if you're looking to save some money on this year's present or just the whole weekend, you've come to the right place. Here are some Father's Day gift ideas that will give you something back. Our Super Saver, Carrie Husha.
Hi there.
Nice to see you. I love getting gifts and then getting something for myself. That is my Christmas mantra.
Yep.
And that's
a little for you, a little for me.
Well, Cub Foods this week is running a gift card promotion. We see them all the time, but this is really the best I've ever seen. So for every $100 in gift cards you buy, and I'm not talking about Cub gift cards, other brands of gift cards. So
and they have that whole area with everything you could ever think of.
Exactly. For every $100, you get a coupon for $20 in free groceries. The coupon expires a week after it's printed, so you don't have a long time to use it. But I thought I'd show you for that $20. So let's say you're going to buy a Home Depot card for Dad.
Yeah.
Or $20. And actually, all of this that you're looking at right here, after using coupons and things, because I don't buy stuff without coupons.
No.
But you've got 4.5 pounds of high-end Angus beef burgers. You've got chicken for the grill and everything else you need for your Father's Day barbecue. This was $4.
What?
On top of using this coupon.
I just wish I could have you with me at the store.
You can. You just need to look at our website.
Right, because all of this and all the coupons are spelled out exactly on my website.
Is there a limit to how many of those $20 you can get?
Yeah, you can do by $500 worth of gift cards at a time. Yeah. So a limit of 5 at a time. But you know what? I bought some Amazon for myself. I bought some gas ones.
Yeah,
for
that's a great idea.
BP, you know, and then other things that I knew my family was already going to use.
Already, so you get a bunch of them.
Right, and even think about back to school shopping. They have Kohl's and Old Navy and those kinds of gift cards too. So a great way.
Well, plus then I feel like if you've already bought those gift cards and then you go for back to school shopping, you kind of feel like it's free money because you already paid for it.
Well, and it's a 20% discount in essence on the gift card, so that's great.
That's great. Okay.
That's very cool.
What about Menards?
Right, free stuff. You know, I love it. Menards rebate program is one of my favorites, but look at this. With what they've got going on right now this week, everything that you're looking at here, it's just over $70 in merchandise. Submit it for the rebates, and you just have to put all these little forms that print out at the end of your receipt into one envelope with one stamp. You might need two because there's a bunch of them, but and it'll be $9. You'll get $61 back in Menards store credit.
Cool.
And so in essence, I mean, what a nice gift basket for Dad with all kinds of things. I really liked this under the drawer organizer and some floor mats. Just
is there a flashlight in there?
There is.
That's my dad's favorite, flashlights and backpacks.
Right. But these are great, Des, because they don't take batteries. They're crank.
Oh, I love it. That's
my
awesome.
husband loves these, and we have them in our little storm emergency thing in our basement.
Okay, Carrie, that is awesome. All right, what if you're feeling like going out?
Right, there are all kinds of restaurants have deals, so we're just going to highlight a couple of them. Masa, they've got, I think, a free drink for Dad when you buy an entree. North Coast in Wayzata, again, free beer for Dad. TCBY, free ice cream for Dad. No purchase required at most of the stores. A couple of them may require something, but most totally free. And if you're looking for something fun to do to get out and about, the IMAX Theater, which is really hard to find discounts there at the Minnesota Zoo, Dad gets him free with the purchase of a child ticket. And I just learned if you only go to the IMAX, not the zoo, you don't have to pay for parking either. So it's something you can take the family for. They've got Hubble showing that day, Born to be Wild, which I think you've said before, Elizabeth, you really like that.
Yeah, really cool.
Right, and then Pirates of the Caribbean as well.
I want to see that.
Right, Pirates of the Caribbean's a little more, it's like $12, but I mean, you're saving $16.50 on Dad's ticket. And then Hubble and Born to be Wild at $7 for a child admission. You're saving almost $10 on Dad's.
Great ideas, Carrie. Thank you so much, saving so much money. And we've got more information about all these deals and a link to Carrie's website. It's really, I have been using it quite often. It is totally worth it. You go to KSTP.com, click on Twin Cities Live, and you'll find it. I'm becoming a Carrie.
I need to become a Carrie.
It's amazing. It really is quite liberating. It's very rewarding. So, okay, coming up, find out, speaking of free, how to get a free facial. Megan.
Bye.
Okay, you know, we hear this all the time, Des. Drink at least 8 glasses of of water a day, especially during the hot summer months, to make sure you stay hydrated. But there are also other ways to give your face a healthy glow, both at the spa and at the drugstore. And here with more, the creator of BeautyBets.com, Elizabeth Dean, is back with us today. Hello, darling.
Hi, girl.
How you doing?
I know,
really
it's
fun.
Girls' Day.
You are very much, I said to you today, you really are looking like very glowy and hydrated your face.
Do you like my faux tan?
Yes.
This is all
looking
fake.
good.
Good for you, honey.
This
That's
is the time of year when I
fantastic.
feel like my skin just wants to peel off. Because
Yeah.
it's going, what? It's summer already?
Well, and we always think, oh, I'm oily or I'm sweaty,
Yeah.
but then between the air conditioning and the sun and the heat, your skin is totally depleted.
So you found a new treatment in the Twin Cities?
It's really new.
Are you loving it? What is it?
I am totally loving it. It's called the HydraFacial, and it's kind of taking the nation by storm right now.
I've heard of this. I've been very interested in it.
A little bit of buzz going on. There I am. So it's like a crystal-free microdermabrasion. You can see she's using that wand. It's making me a little bit pink because it's actually suctioning out anything that's in my pores. Not that my pores are ever dirty, but it's a deep cleanse. And on top of that, it's adding all these fabulous nutrients, antioxidants, hydrating serum right back in. And because she's opening up those pores, your skin and your dermis are able to take in this hydration at a completely killer level.
Did it hurt?
No, it does not hurt.
It looks
feels
a touch
just kind of
painful.
like a facial massage. It's not painful, and I have been in pain before from microderm, but there's no crystals going on, so it's actually great for sensitive skin. She can adjust the pressure too, depending on your skin
super
type.
sensitive skin.
Yep, Angie is so good about that. So my skin, literally, it was juicy. That's the best way I can describe it. All my little fine lines were just plumped up.
Oh, yes.
My skin felt completely different than it's ever felt. And you know, I mean, I get a facial 1 to 2 times a month.
Yep.
They're not all created equal. This one was pretty amazing. And my sunspots were diminished, but my pores have never been cleaner. So
Okay, that's pretty cool.
It's
How
pretty
often
great.
can you get this type of a facial?
I think any facial, I would
Once a
say
month?
once a month. Otherwise, your skin is just going to feel like it's being a little overworked.
So it's $135, but I'm going to tell you coming up in just a couple minutes how you can get a free one and how you can get a deal on one. So you got to hang with us with that. But you've got some great products too you want to talk about.
So things you can do at home that you don't have to go get a facial for. This is kind of a little facial in a bottle, which, you know, we love. Anything that you can do at home. This is Kiehl's Midnight Recovery Concentrate. And this is a really lightweight serum, or you could even think about it as like an overnight mask. It just soaks right in. It's got squalane in it, which is derived from olives.
Nice.
So this really velvety, hydrating, moisturizing oil.
You say it's like a mini facial every night.
It is like a mini facial, and it's great for all skin types because, again, it's really lightweight, and it smells like lavender, so that's part of the whole helping you fall asleep. So all of your fine lines.
I spray lavender on my pillow every night. I'm hooked on it.
good.
Yeah, I'm totally hooked. Okay, what about if you want to head to the drugstore?
Head to the drugstore. This is our favorite drugstore foundation right now at Beauty Bets. This is CoverGirl's new Nature Luxe Silk Foundation. And you know, this time of year, none of us want to be wearing heavy foundations, but you still might want that kind of flawless coverage, right? So this is super lightweight, but magically gives great coverage, and it's water-based. There's cucumber water in there, so it feels super hydrating, and it's oil-free, so you're not going to get greasy from it. And it's at the drugstore. Lots of great shades. We love it. It's, you know, about around $13 or less.
That's great. That's
I need
awesome.
that.
Sold.
Yeah, I like that. Okay, I know Courtney Cox is obsessed with coconut water.
And Gwyneth.
I'm going to try. I'm
All the
trying
fancy
to like
people.
it.
Fancy people love it. And so, I mean, I have a hard time getting 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. I don't care. I got to put all these fun little add-ons in my water to make it interesting. And coconut water is going to be far more hydrating than water itself. And it's kind of like the healthy alternative to a sports drink. There's no sugar added. It's full of potassium. I can't remember how many bananas it's equivalent to. But so that's really hydrating you from the inside out. And you can find this at Trader Joe's, Whole Foods.
You like this brand of it?
I love the Zico brand, partly because there's this new mango flavor, which makes it a little more interesting. And I know you don't necessarily love the taste of coconut water, and it's
I'm
a little
working
bit
on it,
different.
yeah.
It's
But
an
I drink
acquired-
kale juice in the morning, so it's not like, and I'm fine with that. I don't
Who are
know.
these
I
people?
would say try it. And I think sometimes you just have to get used to something.
Yes.
And I will say when I tried it warm.
Don't do it warm.
Like room temperature. And I think it needs to be cold to be good.
I totally missed the memo on this coconut water thing.
Try it. Yeah, definitely try it.
Okay.
I think it's delicious.
And fancy people in the Twin Cities are so happy with something that Elizabeth Dean has created. Congratulations on your new line of products.
Thank you guys so much.
That is amazing.
I know, we're so proud of you. So tell us about this.
So this is my own, this is kind of indulgent because I'm obsessed with facial mists. I think we've had them on the show before. Any sort of hydrating spray that wakes up your skin, that sets your makeup, that gives you that midday moisture boost that we all need around 3 o'clock or before happy hour. That is what I can't live without, and so I created face spray. It's easy to remember.
Face spray.
Yes, so this is... come here. Yep, keep going. I'm gonna spray. It's so good.
Oh, it smells delicious.
So this is gonna this is something you could keep with you and hydrate anytime.
I keep it one in my bag, one at my desk, one on my nightstand. Of course, I keep them everywhere, like a lip balm for some people.
Yeah.
But I know I have customers who keep it in the fridge.
So it's nice and refreshing and cool.
If you're menopausal, it's awesome for that, I am told.
Love it.
So it's just really refreshing, and it's laced with some organic essential oils, so you really get more moisture than just water.
And Elizabeth has a deal for you. They're regularly $28.
Correct.
If you, through the month of June, they're $20.
$20, 30% off at ElizabethDean.com.
Thank you so much, Elizabeth.
Thank you for having me.
Great ideas.
Right now, though, be the 5th caller to the number on your screen to win a free Hydra facial from Skin Clinic in Edina.
Somebody hand me their phone.
Oh, it's so good. But if you are not lucky enough to win, or maybe you're like Des and you're an employee and you're not eligible, Skin Clinic of Edina is offering a deal exclusively for TCL viewers, including you, Des. If you book a Hydra facial appointment, you'll get the second one for free. So take your girlfriend, take your mom, take your sister. Just call the number on your screen to book. And for more information about all the products in this segment, and again, a link to Elizabeth's website, and you can get her face spray. Just go to KSTP.com and click on Twin Cities Live. Thank you, dear.
Thank you.
All right, still to come, hang out with me tomorrow night on the patio at Jack's Cafe and get a special deal, too. We're going to have the details on that when we come back. Hey, tomorrow night, join me on the patio at Jack's Cafe for another Patio Palooza event between 5 and 7 p.m. We'll have drink specials, giveaways, and register to win a grill from Warner Stellian. And thanks to Warner Stellian for sponsoring Patio Palooza. Thanks, Des. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.